Alright, today I will be teaching everyone, of which there are many, how to, wait, hold on. How to, what was I gonna teach them? I didn't actually tell you.
Very
How to
professional.
change your default computer font in Ubuntu 19.04 or 19.10 maybe? I don't remember. I think it's 1. Alright, and then I install this, right? You install GNOME tweaks, and then you type in your password, of which mine is hella long because I'm super secure and whatnot.
Super secret.
Yeah, super duper secret.
You'll never guess it ever.
_02 is my password.
That you will never guess.
That you will never guess, ever.
Because I am the smartest man since whoever have existed ever.
Exactly. That's why they call me the lore master.
That's why they call me the Boar Master.
Boar Ragnarok.
It's always boring.
Alright, so you go to GNOME tweaks, you launch it, you launch it. Just give me a second here.
That's
There we go. Alright. So, and then from here, so believe it or not, I actually haven't ever done this, and I didn't even look up a tutorial on how to do it. Here it is. Okay, so you go to fonts, and you go to, Ubuntu regular. You don't want that. No, you wanna... Aw, man. Does it... Oh wait, it does. Okay. Or it might. You wanna go to comic? Please, for the love of God, have Comic Sans. No! So there's no Comic Sans, so you cry for a few minutes. Wang, wang, wang. You know how it is. You go to Tibetan Machine. That's just Times New Roman. There's no... That's not Tibetan Machine. Alright, so none of these fonts are actually as good as Comic Sans. I don't know what to do. Well, I've shown you how to do it anyways. Yeah, we'll just change it to Rasa Light for a second. So this is the interface text now. It all looks like this. Just fucking dumb, I hate that font. Don't use that font. If ever you find yourself looking at fonts and you go for that one, I won't make fun of you, but I will question it for sure. Yeah. Yeah. Also, if any, like, future job offerers are, like, going through my YouTube channel and watching this shit, please, don't watch anything.
Don't hire him.
No.
He's terrible.
Don't listen to him.
His qualifications are wrong.
My qualifications are perfectly right.
That degree that he has, it's a fake.
It's not a fake, and I don't have a degree yet.
It is just a bunch of glued together buddy box.
Oh, that's awful. Oh my god. Anyways, time to end the video.
He's a bitch ass motherfucker, don't believe him.